You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this English cricketer, if you want to learn more names from cricket that are, indeed, confusing. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. I got confused here myself. Dawid. Yes, Dawid Malan. Yes, I know. The spelling of his first name is a little bit confusing, but it's not Dawid or David. No, Dawid. Dawid Malan. How to pronounce Dawid Malan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.